You won't wait at door, won't be bound. I know it's gonna rain. Came around, try to clean up his style, his ideas in some people's mind. When he trusted his crowd, so he spoke right out loud, and they lost the best friend.